Hello crafty friends, it's Jen from Scrapbena Creations. I'm so excited to be sharing my August design team package from Not2Shabby shop with you. So here are all the information tidbits that you need to know for the Not2Shabby shop. I also leave all of the links and information below. Don't forget you can use coupon code JEN10, that's Jen with 2 N's, to save 10% off your total purchase. So let's see what stamps I will be designing with this month. So Jamie made this adorable tag using her newest stamp set for Not2Shabby shop, the Mootable Buddies. This tag is absolutely adorable. So she did send me the Mootable Buddies stamp set. I absolutely love this stamp set with the adorable cows. I love the chunky little mice with their big tummies, and there's so many fun sentiments in this stamp set. I cannot wait to play with it. Also, this was a free with purchase when Jamie released the stamp set, and this has a whole bunch of fun sentiments, and I'm sure you've all seen it or now have it in your collection. So I'll be playing with both of those this month. The stamp set that I was able to pick is this adorable one by Hero Arts, and I can't remember the name of it. You'd think I would remember to look prior to filming the video. Okay, it's called Cactus Animals, and what sold me was this adorable cat stamp, and it says cacti plus cactu equals cactus as a sentiment, and I just died over the cuteness of that. So there's also the two turtles and the little snail and a bunch of other sweet little sentiments. I also picked up a few other goodies this month, so I'll share that with you, and then I'm going to add on a small haul from Dollarama, which is a dollar store here in Canada that has to do with crafting. Here are the goodies I picked up this month from Jamie's shop. So she has the new color of Crystal Nouveau Drops. This one is called Double Denim. Let's just take a look and see what this looks like. It's really, really pretty. It's a denim color, but it's also, to me, got a little bit of a purple color in it. So pretty. So excited to add this one to my collection. I picked up this adorable mini stamp set from Waffle Flower called Cheers, with the little kitty drinking her drink in her floaty. And then I also grabbed the Sublime stamp set from Lawn Fawn. This one has been on my list for a while and I just hadn't had the opportunity to get it yet. But I live on the east coast of Canada. I can see the ocean from my window, and I'm also a certified scuba diver, so this stamp set goes really well for my lifestyle. Also, when people come and visit us, they always want us to do a lobster cookout with fresh lobster right from the ocean. So I feel like I'm going to get tons of use out of that little lobster stamp. I also picked up the new stencil from MFT. This is the Grassy Border Stencil. I love my cloud border stencil, so I'm so excited to have this one in my collection as well. So that's what I picked up from Not2Shabby this month. I'm going to show you a few little items I picked up from Dollarama as well. So here are the goodies I picked up from my local dollar store. For the first time, I saw these double-tipped alcohol-based ink markers. These are called Artist Series. They were $2 a pack for 3. So I picked up, let me turn them around so you can see. Here's the color swatches on them. I picked up this teal color and this purpley kind of mauve pink set, and I was just really curious to see how well these are going to work. So I may do a review on them. Let me know if you're interested in seeing how some very inexpensive alcohol markers work. Anyways, I was excited to see them just to play with them. I also picked up this cinema light box. This was $4, and it's the perfect size to go on my craft shelf, well, my shelf in my craft room. So I'm really hoping that it works. It takes 4 AA batteries and it includes 90 letters, numbers, and symbols. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So here's all the contents of the little light box from the back of the container. I have taken it out and it is super, super cute. It's the perfect size. You know, it's mini, but it's perfect for the shelf in my craft room. I'm also thinking if it works well, I'm going to get one to put on my desk at my office. So super, super cute for $4. And lastly, I picked up this multi-purpose storage bin. This was $3.50, and I'm just got one to see if it will fit things that I need to organize in my craft room, and if it does, then I will purchase some more. So excited to see how that goes with my never-ending organizing. So thanks for joining me today. Watch out for my design team projects for the month of August, and I'll see you guys really soon. Take care. Bye.